Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and you just saw some lovely Sony A7s III footage using the new Tamron 70-300 telephoto lens. Now, this is a budget $549 lens, but I have to say, trying out this lens, it is not a budget lens at all. In fact, I think it is, for the money, a very high quality lens, very comparable in construction to the 28-75 f2.8 lens that Tamron came out with a few years ago. And then, of course, you get that lovely 6-year Tamron warranty if anything happens to your lens. And it comes with a very nice lens hood, which is optional on Sony lenses. Most Sony lenses, you have to pay an additional fee to get a lens hood. And there it is. And you can see it looks really nice. And so far, I'm very impressed with it, and also impressed by the price. There it is, fully extended at $300. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. Is very smooth action on there. You do have another ring for manual focusing if you want to do that. So you have a total of 2 rings on this lens. And let's go ahead and take a look at the lens mount. It is a metal lens mount, kind of a matte finish. And it does have a sealing gasket on there. So it is weather sealed, which is kind of nice. You can see it there. Another great addition on a lens that only costs $549 as of making this video. Okay, so this is the Tamron 28-75 f2.8 lens, and you can see from the plastics that they look very similar. It kind of feels like some kind of composite material, and they look very similarly made. And you can see it's just a little bit bigger. I would say the Tamron lens, the 70-300, feels a little bit lighter. And these are great lenses. So if you haven't picked up any Tamron lenses, I do highly recommend the 28-75. And now, it's pretty reasonably priced. And now with the 70-300, even though it is a variable aperture lens, I think it's a great addition. And I do a lot of video on this channel, and I think it is a fantastic lens for video. Of course, there is no stabilization built into this lens. You wouldn't expect to have that in a lens that costs $549. But if your camera supports image stabilization, and most Sony cameras do, you will have no problem using this lens. It's very stable, even up to 300, and it looks really good. So I will be putting out some more videos looking at different aspects of this lens. But so far, I'm really liking what I see. So let's go ahead and put the lens hood on so you can see what that looks like. And then at the end of this video, be sure to stay tuned. I have a couple of minutes of the full video in slow motion with the birds. So be sure you watch that, all in 120p, slowed down at 24p. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.